can you say Dada? Can you say Mama? Good job. Can you say dog? Can you say Liam? Can you say brother? Brother? Brother, good job. Can you say brother? What about Papa? What about Oma? What other words do you know? Can you say more? Yeah. Thank you. Thank you.
Vera.
Thank you. What about Elma? Good job. What about brother? Brother. Potty. Potty. Rain turns to jelly. Potty. Can you say it?
Can you say purple?
Good job. What about blue? Blue. Good job. What about yellow? Oh, purple. Good job, Clara. Say bye-bye. Look,
Yay!